Hi there! Now we are going to learn about how to add the first comment on your social media post. By adding the first comment along with the post, it will boost your post overall. When you are creating a post, at that moment you can add your first comment on your post. You can add your first comment on Facebook and Instagram. This option will pop up here. You can add your first comment. It could be a text or a URL or emojis. Even you can add more hashtags if you want, once you have added first comment. Now you can post it anywhere. Adding a first comment allows you to share additional information, create engagement, or direct your audience to specific links. Feel free to experiment with different first comment strategies to see what works best for your content and audience.